It's taking the count full 3-2. Now what does he do? He's walked 2. And the double to right center.
Here it comes. 3-2 pitch is a swing and a miss by Donaldson. And I think he swung at ball 4.
Yes, he did. Going back to Oakland 3-2. And he went after a pitch that probably, you're right. Change up, brought the hands in, but swing just not there for him to make contact. And the target, change up, got it.
And that was a dandy, and that's how the ball game ends. So Tyler Clippard gets 5 outs tonight, and he picks up his 3rd save of the year. Terrific performance by Clippard. And he